Wait, pause mo muna, we. Pause mo muna. Pause mo muna. Pause mo muna, papasok si daddy. Close eyes.
Surprise!
What's that? Ano y- Oh, ang taga-deliver mo, mga nakaitim pa. What will you say? What will you say? Ang galing naman. Fighting fish. What will you say? Sorry. Are you happy? Si Tito James. What will you say, Tito James?
Silaw yan sila.
Ay, ang galing.
Thank you, Daddy.
Wow, ang galing naman. Wow, dream come true si Ate Zoe.
Sa akin yung pink.
Sa'yo yung pink.
Oh, yung
Ah,
ang iit nila.
ang galing.
Daddy, ano yun? Dila.
Wow.
Da.
Oh, huwag mo nang galaw,
Happy.
mabubulag
Oh.
sila.
Ano
Happy.
kaya name?
Happy. What will you say? Shock
Thank you,
ulit.
Daddy.
Shock ulit. Shock.
No.
Shock.
Tama na siya.
Shine. Wow.
I'll name this.
Happy, happy, happy? Happy? Oh. Kay Tito James daw. What will you say daw, Tito James?
Ang food 5 lang a day.
Oh,
Ano
5 lang a day.
food?
Z, are you happy? Z, are you happy? What will you say?
Ano food
What did I
ng
say?
fighting fish?
Hmm?
Ano food ng
Ayun,
fighting
no,
fish?
bumili din sila.
Ayun. Ayun, ako. Dream come true.
Flora.
Flora and Floro.
Daddy,
Si Lola.